Let's meet up in the party aisle at Dollar Tree. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your small space decluttered and organized using some of the most unlikely items from Dollar Tree's party section. Welcome to Skip to My Life, where we talk about living an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. Let's get started with these 3-compartment party trays. You will find them in the party section at your local Dollar Tree. While these clear trays are made for dips and finger foods, they make excellent drawer organizers, especially in awkward sized drawers. We have this funny little pull-out drawer in our kitchen that nothing seems to fit in, so I am giving it a makeover with this clear party tray. This clear tray was a perfect fit for this drawer, and it helped me to use from front to back the whole space of that drawer. It also helped me to declutter that drawer and make it look a lot more appealing and easy to use. But if you have a larger space, you could definitely buy several of these and stack them right next to each other. I did a whole episode on using cat litter pans as organizers, and I am going to link to that episode in my description box. But we're going to go over to the party section today, and we're going to maximize the space of those cat litter pans. We're going to be picking up some of these mini cordial glasses from the party section at Dollar Tree. And as you'll see, I'm going to be using 4 per tray. So you'll want to get as many as you need for your individual project. These come 6 to a package, which is an excellent bargain. You'll see me glue gunning these cordial glasses into the cat litter pan. I do recommend that you use a little bit stronger bond like E6000. This didn't hold up really well, but it just depends on if this is temporary storage for you or you want something a little bit more permanent. I'm doing a craft closet redo, and I was stumped on how to store my florals, my silk florals. So this is going to be my solution. It's an excellent way to store lightweight items like silk florals or some other craft items. If you live in a small space like we do, the best use of that space is usually to go vertical, and I'm always trying to think up new ways to help you all stack things and make the very most of tiny spaces. Comment below and let me know how you would use this simple idea for your storage needs. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. I am so glad we found each other. Comment below and let me know how you heard of Skip to My Life. Many of you tell me that your Dollar Tree has none of the items that I show in my videos, and many of you tell me you do not have the Dollar Tree Plus section. So everything I'm featuring today can be found in almost every Dollar Tree just for $1.25. Now you'll see it in the party section of the store, and I'll be honest, sometimes I have to go to more than one store to find what I'm looking for. If you still can't find it, consider ordering on Dollar Tree's website. If you're looking for some really appealing storage for your bath, craft room, or laundry area, consider these cute little lidded candy containers. You can use them for bath salts, and make sure that when you're at Dollar Tree, you pick up some of the Lucite scoops as well. Well, thank you, whoever it is at Dollar Tree that decided to make these labels really easy to remove. Some of them are not so easy, but these both are really quick and simple to take off. Since these candy jars are clear, there is no need to label them. You can see what's inside, and I also love to use them in my laundry area for baking soda. Comment below and let me know if you use baking soda to remove musty odors from your laundry. Click the like, thumbs up button and let me know if you're loving this episode. Pick up a package of these Wavy square hors d'oeuvre plates from the Dollar Tree party section, and we're going to use them to solve a really common problem in drawers. If you've ever had the issue of things shifting back and forth when you open a drawer, you just want to take some of these little wavy trays and place them behind whatever organizer you have in your drawer. That way, when you open the drawer, everything stays in place, it's pushed toward the front, and it's very easy to use. Several years ago, my husband and I downsized from a 6-bedroom McMansion to a tiny 3-bedroom love cottage once our kids were grown and flown. One challenge when you're downsizing is to use the very most of that limited bathroom storage space. So you can do that by stacking vertical containers underneath your sink. You're going to want to grab some of these Lucite trays from the party section of Dollar Tree, and they fit perfectly on the locker bins Dollar Tree sells. Check out Bargain Bethany's channel if you haven't already. I believe she's the one that invented this little process, and it was complete genius. But did you know that the larger party trays also fit some bins from Dollar Tree? So I'm that person going around the Dollar Tree store with trays and trying to see what containers they fit. And no, I have no shame. And let me add that all of the items I'm featuring today are also wonderful for their intended purposes. If you have never shopped at the Dollar Tree for party supplies, you will be shocked at how much you can save. And I'll tell you that each of these items is sturdy enough to be used for years and years to come. Now, I know many of us are trying to get away from plastics and plastic containers, but I have never found a better alternative for under sink in areas that are exposed to moisture and messes. If you're looking for a spectacular party centerpiece for under $5, go to Dollar Tree and look in their seasonal area. Now, they always have some kind of glass or container. This one happened to be a luau theme, but it could be any time of year. And then you'll just want to purchase 2 of those plastic trays. For very little money, you have a beautiful display for your next party. If you love to do crafts, you probably have many small items that you want to be able to access quickly, but you don't want them causing clutter all around the room. Pick up 2 to 3 of these beautiful gem colored bowls from the Dollar Tree party section, as well as 2 champagne glasses from the glassware section. This is a super simple organizing hack. We're just going to glue those bowls and glasses together as tall as you feel like your space will accommodate. Several of you told me you were going to use this idea and fill those champagne glasses with colorful objects, seashells, or something else. Comment below and let me know if you've tried this idea and what you decided to fill those champagne glasses with. Well, let me tell you that I did not have to go out and buy all these party supplies when I made this episode because I use so many of them and have for years. These lucite containers especially are very durable. My only wish is that the sides were truly square. That would make a little bit better use of the space, but for the money, they're an excellent little organizing tool, especially if you have an office cart or a hobby cart. I recommend using one of these rolling carts for many different spaces in your home, especially if it's a tight squeeze. You can use these in bathrooms for AM care. You can use them in offices. You can use them in craft areas and also for students or toys. Well, let's get those dresser drawers streamlined and organized using 2 items you've probably passed 1,000 times at your local Dollar Tree. The first is a package of clear acrylic cups. Now, these come in several different colors, but I just chose the clear. And the second is foam core board. With just these 2 items, we are going to create a system of layers in your drawer so you can use all the space. Start by cutting your foam core to fit the space that you're wanting to use in your drawer. Now, make sure that you have plenty of room to slide it in and out. Next, take your time and hot glue those cups next to each other and make sure the sides are touching each other for stability. Well, I bet that you have a drawer like this that you use every single day at your home, either for yourself or a member of your family, and this doubles the space that you can access and makes everything so easy to see. I've been using this system for 8 months now, and I have not had any damage to the cups or the foam core board, so I know that it's a sturdy system that works. And not only that, but it really causes me to limit what I have to the space that I've created. Here's a pro hack if you're dealing with unmatched socks. Go ahead and get rid of all those patterned socks and just buy socks that are all the same color. You will never have to fold them or find their match again. We just celebrated our daughter and new son-in-law's wedding, and I wanted to create a special keepsake box for all those memories that I've collected. Now, if you've priced these on Amazon, you know they can be really costly. So I wanted to make a less expensive version using these gift boxes from Dollar Tree. I'm using a roll of Christmas wrapping paper. Now, if you find this after the season, I recommend you snap it up in these metallic colors like gold and silver. It's such sturdy paper. You can often get that on deep discount. It makes great use for shelf liner and items like we're making here today. The key to covering a box like this one is to make these 90-degree notches in the corners and just really take your time. Take a straight edge, measure it out, and make sure that there's no excess paper at the corners. Now I have a really special box to hold my corsage, the napkin from the reception, and a really beautiful note that both my son-in-law and my daughter wrote my husband and I. These bows from the baby section at Dollar Tree are so adorable to use around a special keepsake box or a gift, and this one just happened to be the exact color of my daughter's wedding colors. This box is pretty enough to display. It's going to stay out of the dust and wear and tear, and whenever I want to relive that special day, all I need to do is take that little band off and open my box. If you have overstock storage, especially in an office area, here's a really chic way to display it and no one will know what's inside. If you've ever received anything from Tiffany & Company store, which I'm lucky to have done a couple times, you know that the box has a very distinctive turquoise color. Now, I was hoping to find some wrapping paper in this color, but I was only able to find cardstock, so I'm using this on the smaller size box. We're just using that same technique we used on our memory box, and I'm gluing it to fit a very custom look as if this box was truly a turquoise blue. Of course, you can use this technique with any box you have around your house. There is no need to buy one from Dollar Tree, but these were just the perfect size that I was looking for. And this effect really looks the best when you stack 2 to 3 boxes on top of each other. I'm using these boxes in my craft studio to hold tea light candles and office supplies that I don't have room in my drawers for. So comment below and tell me, how would you use this idea? If you are still here, my friend, it's because I want to tell you that today is not the end of your story, so do not quit.